All parties Hurriyat conference leaders strongly denouncing the ban imposed by Narendra Modi-led Indian government on the pro-freedom organization Democratic Freedom Party in occupied Kashmir have termed the move as completely unjustified and illegal. According to Kashmir Media Service, the incarcerated APHC leaders in their statements in Srinagar said India is violating democratic values and principles in occupied Kashmir. All parties Hurriyat conference has urged the United Nations to take cognizance of the grim situation in occupied Kashmir and force India to peacefully resolve the Kashmir dispute. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the Narendra Modi-led Indian government is trying to deter the Kashmiri people from demanding their right to self-determination. Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is making nefarious attempts to bring demographic change and impose Hindutva agenda in occupied Kashmir. In its latest move under its Land for the Landless scheme, it has so far allotted 5 marla land each to 9,000 people. The experts say that majority of the beneficiary of this scheme is of the Indian Hindus. President of People's Democratic Party Mehbooba Mufti has said that Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party has produced many Nathuram goddesses during last one decade. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mehbooba Mufti was replying to the questions of the reporters in Srinagar about BJP's poster portraying Congress leader Rahul Gandhi as a new age Ravan, a demon in the Hindu mythology. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the unlawful detention of the prominent religious cleric Abdul Majid Darmadni and a youth booked under the draconian law, the Public Safety Act. The court directed the authorities to release them forthwith. 3 laborers were killed and 5 others injured in a road accident in the Doda district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the locals said that the mishap occurred when a vehicle skidded off the road and fell into a deep gorge in the Humble area of the district. Large amount of the Indian military equipment, including weapons and explosives, were swept away in the Teesta River during the recent flash floods in the Indian state of Sikkim. The flood led to the swelling of the river Teesta. 23 Indian troops had gone missing in the Burdang area. Mumbai police have received an email threatening to blow up the Indian Prime Minister and the Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad, which is currently the venue for several ICC Cricket World Cup matches.